Hi guys, welcome back. This is day number 17 of this affiliate marketing high ticket program. If you haven't signed up already and you don't know what I'm talking about, please go back to the first video in this series. I created a whole playlist here on YouTube showing you step by step how you can go from zero to $1 million a year using a simple system of video marketing and creating your own blog and generating content and backlinks using social media outreach. All right, so if you haven't signed up already, the links are here, right here, right here, right here. All right, go to gianroberts.com/sign up. Sign up for the program, which allows you to make $200 commissions. It's fully automated. It's very simple to use, and it has traffic sources that you're going to use at a later date. Please follow the step-by-step videos showing you how to set this up. Sign up for the annual plan. The second thing is you should sign up for the mini course and you should upgrade to the pro version, gianroberts.com/free access, where I show you do social media outreach, set up your own blog, and get started with social media marketing and getting traffic on Google. Now, you also need to sign up for this email system that gives you $100 leads per day. Simply go to gianroberts.com/free leads and get your $100 leads per day for $1. That's 3,000 leads a month. Simply email those and send them a link to the program, which I've talked about in the first 7 videos of this series. Again, this is our checklist. So see the checklist link below. Follow this checklist every single day. Create the videos, and we added the long-term video YouTube videos, our long version videos. And to get the topics for that, we need to sign up for vidIQ. Go in here, put a topic in here, and see what it comes up with. Create videos around these topics. Post those to your YouTube video. And in a few days, we're going to show you how to set up your blog. To give you an overview of what we're doing, we are using this model to make $1 million a year. Basically, we're trying to get to the point where we sell $1,000 product 1,000 times a year. That's 2.7 sales a day. So we need to not only sell this product, but we need to upgrade to the traffic version of this product, which will allow us to make up to $800 commissions if they sign up for that, or $200 commissions if they just sign up at the first level with the annual plan. That being said, there are other ways to make money, and if you sign up for the pro version here, I show you how you can make additional money up to $10,000 per sale using social media outreach. So I show you how to do that here in the pro version. That being said, that's what we're trying to do, trying to build a brand around ourselves. And I show you how to do that in 2 phases. Phase 1 is creating video shorts, teaching you the skills of creating videos. And the second way is the longer form versions of videos, which get traffic long term. Therefore, you can have a consistent form of traffic. And then the second one is to create videos, create a blog, and create written content like the best AI software for writing articles or how to write articles with AI. You're going to create those type of videos using keyword research tools and social media backlinking strategies for creating backlinks to these articles and your website, which will allow you to rank in Google, which will give you long-term traffic. There have been many examples of people making between $10,000 and $300,000 per month in as little as 18 months with these strategies that I've just outlined here. And the reason why we want to build a brand around ourselves is because YouTube and Google are long-term traffic sources. Once we get ranked in these 2 traffic sources, We'll have a consistent form of traffic. And the reason why we brand ourselves is because we want that traffic source to go to a single point. And our YouTube channel and our personal blog are those 2 points of contact that we want to consistently build traffic to and create content, which allows us to pivot to other offers and build an audience and a relationship with our audience for exponential growth. Another way of looking at this is an ecosystem that we're building. We're building an ecosystem using social media traffic and free traffic from Google, and building a brand around ourselves so that we can offer the people within our sphere of influence many different offers over the next few years. This could be $300 offer. This could be $1,000 offer, and this could be a $10,000 offer, depending on what traffic or what offer we want to offer our customers. And not everybody's going to take us up on each offer, but a few will, and we're using the numbers in our favor to do that. The reason why we use paid traffic over we use free traffic over paid traffic, because paid traffic is like building your system on an island and then shipping all your customers to that island. This is not a very profitable or sustainable model, where if you build your business within, I don't know why this is here, within a location where everybody's going to already, it's just simply diverting them and getting them interested in your system and your brand. So we're doing that by offering value. Value. We show people how to use their skills, how to become manager, how to become system builders, and be creators and visionaries, and allowing them to go up this value ladder and make more money to benefit themselves and others. All right, so that does it for this video. I hope that you got a lot out of it. Day 17 here. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you want to call me directly, you can go to gianroberts.com/call. That will send you right on to my calendar, and look forward to talking to you there. All right, talk to you soon.